Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is a bit special for me guys because I'll be unboxing something very awesome. By looking at the video's title itself, you might know what that item is. Yes, it's my brand new unboxing knife. So the thing is, my dad's friend is a huge fan of my channel and regularly watches all the videos I post. And he recently called me up and said, "It's been a long time since you've been using that same old knife in your videos and I want to do something for you." And that's why he gifted me a brand new knife for my unboxing videos. That is so nice of him, right? I was myself planning on upgrading my knife because it's been almost like 2 years since I've been using it. Well, that's quite a long time, but the funny part is before I bought this one, I used to use a giant kitchen knife for my unboxings, which I used to borrow from my mom. You guys really have to see my old videos, it was hilariously huge. But again, that was at the beginning stage of my channel. Okay, now let's get back to the main video. So he didn't exactly tell me what knife he was sending, but he did mention that it's a very special knife. I don't know why the box is so big. What did he send, man? I'm getting really curious about the knife. Well, at last here it is. It's nicely packed in this bubble wrap. Let's tear the packaging and check out the knife. Oh my god, what the hell? It is so big. Is it some sort of survival knife or what? That is so cool guys, just look at this baby. Holy moly, this thing is almost 12 inches long and comes nicely packed in a sheath. And just for comparison purpose, let me just put it side by side with my old knife and show you. Oh my god, check out the size difference between both the knives. It's almost double the size. Wow. Talking about the sheath, the quality of the sheath is pretty good. Looks like it's made of nylon. Plus, if you can observe, it also has a belt grip here so you can easily carry it around your waist. And the quality of the material used is decent. Alright, I know you guys are also super excited to see the knife just as me, so let me take it out and show you. Oh my god. No way! You guys know what this thing is? It's a survival knife! And that too, it's not any other ordinary one. This is Bear Grylls' special survival series knife. It's specially made for hardcore adventurers who frequently go on wild treks. You all know Bear Grylls, right, from Discovery's Man vs. Wild program? Bear has collaborated with this popular brand called Gerber and specially designed some super high quality survival knives for adventurers, and this is one of them. Holy smokes guys, I can't believe I got my hands on one of these. It's a very popular survival knife. And also, I don't know if you know this, but Bear Grylls is in India right now. He's shooting a special Man vs. Wild episode with our Prime Minister Modi sir in the Uttarakhand forest. You might have already seen the ads about this program on your TV. It's a very popular TV show and I'm a big fan of that. The program will be telecasted live on 12th August in Discovery Channel. And why I am so excited about it is, our Prime Minister himself is going on a survival adventure with Bear Grylls. I bet the episode is going to be a lot of fun guys, so if you people are also interested, don't miss that show. And the best part about that episode is, our PM Modi sir is going to be using this same Bear Grylls knife in that episode to survive in the forest. In the promos and ads, I've seen him tying this same knife to a stick and exploring the jungle with Bear Grylls. Awesome, right? Okay, getting back to the video, this Bear Grylls Gerber knife has a beautiful design. These sort of knives are generally called as saber knives and can be super sharp, so you have to be very careful while handling them. The knife has a full fine-edge blade made of high-quality stainless steel to offer great strength and edge retention. We've got the BG logo, model number here, and says USA Colombian knife. And you see this bottom part here? This is a bottle opener, so you can even open bottle caps with the knife. It's a multi-purpose survival tool. And below that we have the handle. The handle has a nice BG logo with rubberized texture all over it to offer you a great grip while holding. I have to say the build quality is top notch. And one more thing, the blade doesn't stop near the handle, it runs down till the bottom tip of the knife. It's got a blade length of around 10 to 11 inches. And on the bottom side, it's got a special stainless steel pommel. Now this is something very useful. It's used for a variety of purposes, like either for breaking glass windows during emergencies or for hammering the knife into wood. It's like an all-in-one survival knife and is the ultimate choice for adventurers. But the thing is, I'll not be using it for that purpose. A normal person doesn't actually need this. I'll only be using it for unboxing large parcels or packages in my videos as this thing looks very stylish and attractive. That is the only purpose I'll be using this knife for. The BG Survivor knife from Gerber is a super sharp knife and the speciality of the product is its edge retention capability. No matter how harsh the situation is, this knife will always prove its worth. To see how sharp it is, I'll just cut a piece of paper from a book with this knife and show you a small demo. As I've told you earlier, these sort of knives are mostly used by adventurers who frequently go on hiking, trekking, or camping activities. It can be very useful in certain kind of situations. But for a normal person like you or me, we wouldn't require these sort of things in our daily life. I was actually very surprised when I first used this knife because it was deadly sharp. Just see how it cuts this paper. Holy moly, you see that? This knife cuts the paper as if we were slicing a cube of butter. It felt buttery smooth while doing that. Amazing! A normal knife could never cut a paper like that without going back and forth. So that was my video on the special Man vs Wild Bear Grylls Survivor knife. This is going to be my new unboxing knife from today. I absolutely love it, really like that orange and black color scheme as well as the design of the blade. I won't be using it for all the unboxing videos because it's very big in size. For small product videos, small unboxings, I'll still be using my old knife. And this one will be exclusively for large unboxings on my channel. Well, this is what I wanted to share with you all. So what do you guys think about my new unboxing knife? Do leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. So that's it, I'll end the video here. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.